Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to create CV looking like this using Claude Design. Let's get started. So for this you will log in into Claude AI. Let's make this bigger. And then from the left side you will choose Design. And we will create a new project. We can call this CV. Here you can choose wireframe or high fidelity. I will choose high fidelity because I want a stronger contrast when it comes to my colors. And then I will click on create. Let's say at this point I don't have any CV at all, but I want to create a very impressive CV to get my dream job. So I will open my LinkedIn and will extract all the information from LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile, and from here I will first extract my CV and then I will use the CV in Claude Design to create a nice design. If we click on resources, we can see save to PDF, and you can see that the PDF document was saved. If I go to find this document and try to open it, it looks like this. This is just information extract from LinkedIn. And I think this is fine because it has all the information that I want to have in my CV. However, it doesn't look impressive enough, and I want to create something that will guarantee an interview for me. I will go to Claude Design, and in here we already created the project, and I will upload the CV. You can see that the file is uploading. Then I will even upload a picture, and this is totally up to you if you want to have a picture on your CV or not, but I think there is more chance to get interview if you have a picture, so I will upload even a picture. Now the picture is also uploaded. This is the prompt that I will use to create a CV, so I will copy all of this, and then I will go to Claude Design. I will paste all this. Okay, next I will go and get the prompt that I created for creating a nice looking CV. I will first choose everything and then we'll copy, and then I will go back to Claude Design and we'll just pass this prompt. And then I will send this, and this process can take a couple of minutes, so I will come back to you once it is done. Here you can see that Claude is asking some questions. So the first question is, pass the full job description. We can adjust the CV for a certain job. We can go to LinkedIn and then to jobs. For example, let's take this lead architect role, and then we can just copy this information that is about the job. Once copied, we go back to Claude Design, and here we can paste that. Next, company name. I will copy it to make it very obvious for Claude Design. Next, exact role title. Let's paste also the exact role title, which was lead architect. Yes, and then we go back to Claude. We can paste the exact title. Next, it asks tone of voice. Here, if we are not sure, we can always say decide for me, and I will choose that option. Next, it asks actual years of experience to state. I have more than 11 years, so I will enter 11 plus. Next, language. So I will just insert Swedish and English, and I'm not open to reallocation, and then confirm the name on the CV. And I want it to be my name and surname, so it will be Annie Björkström. And now it says source for my experience. Use everything in the attached profile PDF. That's the file that we uploaded from LinkedIn. Or we can even give it more information, but I will say use everything in the attached profile. And I will also add and my picture, because we attached also a picture of me. Then anything to add beyond PDF, I will add again my picture attached. Any honest gaps you want to address, and there is nothing that I want to address because I didn't have any gap, so we will not enter any information in here, but feel free to do it. And then we will click on continue. Now we have a result. You can see that in index.html file we have our CV and cover letter. So let's first open CV and try to understand how it looks. So it looks quite great. Look at the fonts and also all the coloring. I think it is amazing compared to our initial source CV. So this looks great, and I want to save it. We can just click on save button and give it a new name. And we can go and check the cover letter as well. So here we have the cover letter. If we open the general option, so here is the cover letter, and you can see my name and then the role as well, and also the person that we are sending this. This is the hiring manager. So I think this looks quite amazing as well. Another tips is most of those companies will have hundreds of applicants, and they will use some type of AI tool to screen which CVs suits best to the role. So you can even ask Claude, when you are creating the CV or cover letter, please make sure to map the CV with the role, so that if an LLM is used for screening the CVs, my CV will get at least 99% match. And if you want to get the same prompt that I used to create this CV, comment prompt and I will send it to you for free. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!